Hey y'all, if you want to see how I achieved this super cute sultry look, continue to keep on. This video is sponsored by Sunber Hair. Of course, you can't have makeup without hair. So they sent me headbands, they sent me some wig caps, and this water wave unit. I'm going to have everything listed down below in the order in which I use it and the details with this hair. The lace frontals and stuff are out of stock, if I'm not mistaken, so they're pushing a lot of headband wigs, but I actually like this one. Like, it was very carefree to me. Like, she was giving me very much so, you know, you only live once, like, just go for it type vibe. So I was like, you know what, that's why I did the dark smoky looking eye, I guess, because the hair was just giving me like carefree vibes. So I'm just putting some water on it. That's all I did, was put water on it. I did get a little bit of shedding here and there, but it's nothing that is like alarming. And I was just like crunching the hair so the curls could form. And then I did let it dry up a bit before I went in and put my little ponytail in and whatnot. And I decided to do this cheetah headband because it just matched the makeup and the t-shirt that I had on. And I don't know why this part is blurry. Sometimes my camera be acting bougie, y'all. Like, she don't be wanting to cooperate sometimes, her bald head. But if you're from Facebook, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I love how this came out. Like, she's super sultry. So yeah, y'all, I had to focus my camera again, but this is the completed look. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and pay no mind to my earring. My ear was just going all kind of ways, y'all, and I didn't even feel it. Like, anyways, I did a lip for y'all. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you, Sunber, for sponsoring this video and sending me this unit. I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.